Dear guests and fellow oath takers, family and friends, good morning. Congratulations to all my fellow oath takers. I am Eric Espanueva from San Fernando City, La Union. I graduated March 2001 in St. Louis University in Baguio City and took the board exam in the same year where I officially became RME and RE. I am currently working on Riyadh Metro project in MEP department as a maintenance engineer in Flow Consortium. I remember when I took my oath in 2001 as a registered master electrician and registered electrical engineer. It has been my plan to upgrade to a professional electrical engineer someday. However, years passed, I thought this would never become a reality. Then in 2023, after 22 years of practicing as an RE, I finally had the opportunity to make it happen. While the journey to become a PEE is not easy and often lead one to consider quitting due to challenges and struggles along the way. One of these challenges is managing time between responsibilities at work, family, and completing my technical engineering report. But I persevered because of my strong determination. Thankfully, I have those people around me who support in completing my PER. Thank you to my beloved wife, Jennifer, my son, Ethan Jaden, and my daughter, Jared, who inspires me to pursue my goal. I would also like to thank my father, Fernando, and my mother, Rebecca, for their love and education they provided. Most importantly, thank you to Honorable Francis Papili and Honorable Jaime Mendoza of the Board of Electrical Engineering for the privilege you have given me. Additionally, my heartfelt thanks to my second family in IIE CRCSA, the Central Region Chapter in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, our mentors, advisors, instructors, board of directors, and members, for your time supporting Batch 11 PEE aspirant. Lastly, I extend my gratitude to our IEE National PEE Mentoring Committee for their guidance. My fellow electricians and engineers who recently passed the examinations, I encourage you to support our organization in IIE. Be an active member and participate in the event of your IEE chapter. Someday, as an RE, you will have your specialization and decided to upgrade to PE after several years of experience. Your IEE chapter will be there to support and guide you on your journey towards becoming a PE. Achieving PE status will not only grant you the authority to sign and seal, but also enhance your career growth. Your qualification will be elevated to PQF Level 7 or the Philippine Qualification Framework, which is equivalent to a master's degree in academic track. As an RME, you can also become an RE and level up to PE. There is an ETAP or the Expanded Tertiary Education Equivalency and Accreditation Program that offers various bachelor's degrees to those with significant work experience, allowing them to earn a college degree. For those RMEs with a bachelor's degree who have not yet become REs, don't lose hope. Try again. Who knows? You might be the top notcher in the next examination results. In foreign regions, our chapter also offers a program for OFW, which is SPLE, or the Special Professional Licensure Examination. Many members have gone through this program, resulting in numerous RME and REs. We also have a member who passed the RME and REE in the SPLE program, and now he became a PE. Our members are now following his path to become a PE aspirant. Always remember, it does not matter how slowly you go, as long you do not stop. Let this oath be a reminder of the power you hold, the impact you're about to make, and the opportunity to live in lasting legacy. Once again, congratulations to all of us who successfully made it to the finish line. Thank you.